So hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the top features and changes that are available with the new OneUi 7 update on the Galaxy A34. So if you haven't already, so you can update it by simply going into the setting, download and install. From here you will get to see the new OneUi 7 update. The update size is around 3.7 gigabytes in size. So talking about the new changes, so now finally you are getting this now bar to track your live activities. You can control the live activities like the Google Maps or the music player. You also get this dynamic notch with the new OneUi 7 update, in which whatever music you are playing will appear over here. And not only that, with the new OneUi 7 update, you get to see a redesign in the app icons. As you can see, all of these app icons are giving a fresh new look. With a redesign in the camera app as well, as you can see, all of the settings are now easy to access directly from here. Previously these settings were available on the top, now these are easy to access by simply tapping on this button. The camera app looks a lot more cleaner than before. Let me know your thoughts about this new camera app design in the comment section below. Also, I have noticed that after the OneUi 7 update, the animations while opening and closing of the apps are a lot more smoother than before. Also, we get to see a redesign in the control panel as well. As you can see, the control panel is now redesigned that you guys can access from the right side. And the notification panel from the left side, you can change this in the settings as well. Widgets also got a redesign with the new OneUi 7 update. These widgets are giving a fresh new look and making your device look new. Also, in the recent app sections, there is a change. As you can see, it is looking a lot more smoother than before. And if you want to access Gemini, that is now also possible. Simply long press your power button and from here you can access Gemini, which will be your new AI assistant from Google. Also, with the OneUi 7 update, you get to see a new charging animation. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new changes and features available with the new OneUi 7 update for the Galaxy A34. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.